Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already, please kindly subscribe, and if you have, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Now I know I haven't been posting for a while, and that is because I had a lot of schoolwork to do, so I didn't have enough time to record and edit my videos, so I will be doing that now. Now, as you probably saw by the title of this video, in this video I will be taking you through my process of making my final semester range. I am currently on my final semester right now, and we are supposed to design our own ranges. So in this video I will be taking you on through the behind the scenes of me making that. And by the way, this is not a tutorial video, this is just a video of me showing you the behind the scenes of me working on my range. But if you guys would like a video on how I make all my garments, you can leave a comment on the comment section down below, and I will be sure to make those videos for you. I am currently alone in class, but I'm with other two people. They just went out right now, and right now I'm about to start drawing. So this is my range. We actually designed all our ranges while we're still at N5, so that we wouldn't have too much work to do right now at N6. So this is what I wanted to do initially, but I decided that I'm going to sew only the red cowl neck dress, and I will change the other three garments. So I will show you what I come up with for the other three garments. So first things first, I have to draft a pattern for the red cowl neck dress, but I want to draw a basic bodice first so that I don't have to start from the bottom every time I want to make a pattern for a different garment. At this point, I was already done drafting the pattern for the cowl neck dress, so this is me about to cut the patterns out on a fabric. I am using a red satin fabric.
Hello. No problem to the music. Gift. Ufile kodobva kha YouTube nzile ndikoda zone style chachikonela chikodobva kha YouTube.
So in the three garments that I decided to change, one of them is the corset. So right here I was just draping to see how I wanted my cup to be. So this is my new range. This is the only dress that I decided not to change. So this is the first dress that I changed. And this is the corset with shorts, and this is the last garment that I'm going to make. So for this garment I didn't change the top. The top is still the same as it was on the last design. I only changed the pants. And for this dress, the structure is still the same. I only changed the look. So for the other dress it was see-through, so here I only made it with a non-see-through fabric. So this is what I'm going to be making. So from this point of the video, I am going to be stitching the dress. I have all my pieces cut out. I'm going to start stitching the straps that I'm going to sew on the armhole and tie around the back of the neck. Okay, I know I said this isn't a tutorial video, but if you're thinking of making a cowl neck dress, do not iron interfacing on the facing. I don't know why I did that, because the whole point of cutting the dress on bias was to get the full stretch. So I really don't know why I decided to iron interfacing on the facing, because it didn't end up laying the way I wanted to. These are the back pieces, and these are the only pieces that I was supposed to iron interfacing on, but also I could have cut them on the grain line instead of on the bias, then I wouldn't have to iron interfacing on them. My dress has a modesty panel at the center back, and the back of the skirt is a cowl, so I added an invisible zip on the side seam of the skirt, and the modesty panel will be fixed eyelets and this is why I decided to stop recording the video, but I top stitched the modesty panel to close it, then added my zip later, then hemmed the dress with a rolled hem. Then I was done with this dress. So I will show you, I will do a review of all the garments that I did on another video, so you guys can see me try on all of them. So that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching this video, and if you enjoyed watching this video, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and comment whatever you want on this video, and I will see you guys on my next video.